There are a number of ways of growing your mailing list on Squarespace. Today I'm going to show you a few different ways in making sure that you've got a nice, big, powerful mailing list. Let's dive in. So the first thing you're going to go ahead and do here on the left-hand side is look for settings at the bottom. It's the little gear icon. Now, once you're in here, you're going to look for selling on the left-hand side in your menu. And from here, you will see a few options, and we're going to look for checkout. Here, you can just scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll actually find a checkout page option where you can add an email sign-up form. So once you click on this, you can literally customize what it looks like and how it actually works. This way you can build a mailing list of people that already use your services or buy your products. Another way of doing this is by going on the left-hand side. You'll see a few options and you want to go to contacts. Once you have gone into contacts, you can add members or subscribers. Now you can go and add individual members. This will require the information of that personal user. So let's just click on next, and you want an email address, a first name and a last name, and then you can add that person to a specific mailing list if you have created a mailing list. You can also confirm that these people will accept marketing. The next way of doing so is still by going into add subscribers and importing an existing list. Over here, you can import a CSV file. And once you have imported the CSV file, you can add it again to a specific mailing list. And then again, you'll have to add those permissions in over there at the bottom. Another way of doing this is to collect subscribers and build a mailing list while people are browsing through your website. So let's go to the top left-hand side. Let's go to websites, and under pages, you can pretty much put this on any page. So I've got a contact us page. We're going to go in here. This is what it looks like, and we're going to click on edit. Now, if you don't already have a little block like this that says contact us or something that is connecting with your customer, you can go ahead and click on the add block button over here. Now, there are two blocks that you can use to do this. The first one is the newsletter, and you can take this newsletter and you can embed a Google form onto that. You can also use the form option. So I'm going to go ahead and add a newsletter block, and you can see this is what it looks like. I'm just going to drag it over here. And what we can do now is click on the little pencil icon, and within here, you can change all the settings, so what it looks like. And then if you go over to storage, you can see over here it says Squarespace. Let's click on this, and here you can add whoever is adding their email address into here to be added to a mailing list. You can also have an email sent for confirmation, and then you can go and you can view all your contacts. Now, another way of doing this is some of the other storage options. Let's say you have a Google Drive or you're using MailChimp. You can also connect them here. So once you connect them, that is where all the information will go to. So all of your subscribers that are signing up here to your mailing list, that's where they will end up. And there you go. You can now create a mailing list on Squarespace quickly and easily.